Welcome back, students. Now move on to the second question. See the question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for the correct answers and negative marks are given for the incorrect answers. If Z score in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Okay. So I have solved the question. So understand the question first. What is the given thing? Positive marks for correct answer. So if you are giving the correct answer, you are getting the positive numbers. Means plus sign. Positive means plus sign. And negative marks, if you are giving the incorrect answer, then I will give you negative marking. Means minus sign. So in 5 successive rounds, whatever score was getting by the Z, it was 25. Means he has given 25 correct answers. So 25 is positive. So we write 25 in front of positive marks. -5. 5 questions he has given the wrong answer. So he was getting negative mark. That is -5. That we are right in front of negative marks. -10 negative marks. 15 and 10 positive marks. So total positive marks, or you can say total how many correct answers he has given, that is 25, 15 and 10. In 3 tests he has given this much correct answers and incorrect -5 and -10. Now at the end we have to find the total of his score. So what we do first, we do the addition of all the positive marks, that is 25 plus 15 plus 10 will give you 50 marks. Then we do the total of negative marks, that is -5 -10 will give you -15. So 50 marks for positive, that means correct answers, -15 negative marking for the incorrect answer. So now final total we have to find. So total score is how much? Total score was how much? So what we do? Positive marks minus negative marks, that is 50 minus 15. So what is the answer? 35 marks. So at the end of the total object was 35 marks. So this way we can solve the question number 2. Move on to the next question. Move on to the question number 3. The question is, at Srinagar temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Then what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? And the next question, on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Then what was the temperature on this day? So first of all we listed out whatever data are given in your question. Half of the answer we are getting from the questions. Why? When you write down the data which are already given in the questions, okay, it just give you an idea that what you have to do and what you want to find. And what is the question? Basically, if you understand the question, if you know the parameters which are given in your questions, that leads to what you want to find, what is the meaning of question, that you will get. So whenever you read such kind of question, they are word problem. Okay, whenever you come across any kind of word problem, just write down the whatever parameters are given in the questions. Okay, it leads to you that what you want to find and what is the meaning of particular questions. Okay, so what we will get the information from the question. What is given? At Srinagar on Monday the temperature was -5 degrees Celsius. This is the exact temperature is given, that on Monday -5 degrees Celsius temperature was there. Now on Tuesday, whatever temperature was on Monday, it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. It doesn't mean that the temperature on Tuesday was 2 degrees Celsius. Again I am repeating, what is given? Whatever temperature was on Monday, it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Drop means less, down, decrease. So we have to subtract. Okay, whatever temperature given on Monday, from there we have to subtract whatever dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So minus 5 degree Celsius, minus 2 degree Celsius. What is your answer? Okay then, what is the answer? Minus 5 is the temperature, was the temperature on Monday, dropped by 2 degree Celsius. Drop means we have to do subtraction. You have to just understand the word drop, lower, less, decrease. It indicates subtraction. Again I am repeating, drop, lower, less, decrease. These words are representing subtraction. So you have to always do subtraction whenever such kind of words are used in the question. So minus 5 degree Celsius, drop down by 2 degree Celsius means minus 2 degree Celsius. Then what is your answer? Minus 2, minus 5 negative sign, minus 2 negative sign. Both the numbers have negative sign, so we have to do addition. So 5 plus 2 will give you 7. But both the numbers are negative, so minus 7 degree Celsius. Okay, move on to the next question. So what is the question? What was the temperature on Tuesday? So we got the first answer, minus 7 degree Celsius temperature on Tuesday. Now move on to the next. On Wednesday, what happened on Wednesday? It rose by 4 degree Celsius. Now we consider this temperature. Whatever we are getting on Tuesday, we will not consider this temperature because this was on Monday. After Monday what comes? Tuesday. After Tuesday what comes? Wednesday. So on Wednesday whatever temperature rose, that is based on minus 7 degree Celsius. So on on Tuesday the temperature was 7 degree Celsius and it rose by 4 degree Celsius means plus 4 degree Celsius. So when drop word is there, so we did subtraction. Drop, lower, less, decrease. This indicates subtraction. So rose, higher, increase. Such kind of word indicates addition. So what we have to do here? Temperature on Tuesday, that is minus 7 degree Celsius. Rose means plus. Temperature increase, that is 4 degree Celsius. So what is the answer? Minus 7 plus 4. Sign are different. Do the subtraction. 7 minus 4 give you 3. 7 is bigger, negative sign, so minus 3 degree Celsius. So what we can say? On Wednesday the temperature was minus 3 degree Celsius. Again I am repeating the question. At Srinagar on Monday the temperature was minus 5 degree Celsius. On Tuesday dropped by 2 degree Celsius. So that we have to do subtraction. Minus 5 minus 2 will give you minus 7 degree Celsius. So on Tuesday the temperature was minus 7 degree Celsius. On Wednesday it rose by 4 degree Celsius means increase. So minus 4 degree plus 7 minus 7 degree plus 4 degree will give you minus 3 degree Celsius. So on Wednesday the temperature was minus 3 degree Celsius. So this way we can solve question number 3. Now move on to the question number 4. Move on to the next question. Question number 4. The question is, a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Okay, now this is the already I have drawn the diagram. This is your sea level where 0 is there. So it divides the water area and this is your air area. Okay. Now what is the question? What is the distance, total distance, vertical distance between this plane and submarine? Doesn't matter what is the sign of this 5000 or 1200. Okay. What is the question? You have to find the total vertical distance between these two. So what we have to do? We have to do the addition of this 5000 plus 1200. So what is your answer? 6200. So what we can say? Total vertical distance between aeroplane and submarine, which is equal to 5000 plus 1200, which is equal to 6200 meter. Doesn't matter what is the, if it is below the ground level, below the sea level, it is always negative. Okay, but what is the question? Understand the question. We have to find the total vertical distance, means distance between this plane and submarine. So we have to always do the addition of this two measurement, 5000 and 1200. Don't write minus 1200, it will give you wrong answer. So the total distance is 5000 plus 1200 will give you 6200 meter. This is all about your question number 4. Move on to the next question.